Chceš piť mliečko, Sean? Chceš piť? Napí sa. No, napí sa mliečka. Mliečko.
As babies get older, 4 a year and a half, the advantages of having a simple vocabulary become increasingly apparent.
We routinely find that some of the most difficult months really
No napí sa teraz trošku po chlebičku. No, kde máš mliečko? Kde máš mliečko? Kde je mliečko? Tam je mliečko. Á, ty si chcel chlebík. A kde je mliečko? A mliečko je tam. Aj chlebík, aj mliečko spolu. Ty si ako taká malá opička.
An alternative that may be easier for your child is this. How about you use this sign with one hand or both to request assistance from his parents? Whichever one you choose, the important thing is to make a decision about what all caregivers should be doing their
Nech sa páči. A čo si to spravil s mliečkom? Čo si spravil s mliečkom? Chceš chlebík? Chlebík.
Watching you sign with each other as well as with her will further increase the number of times your baby sees the
Shawnee.
context.
Bye bye. A unavení sme, ideme do postielky, čo?
When you want
Bye bye.
abstract
Bye bye.